This is day 9 of cooking outside every single day until my fucking dealership and website make enough to buy a house. As you can see, the dealership is coming along. We were pulling the transmission on this piece of shit, but we're going to follow through. We're cooking every day, so we're cooking outside the barn. Let's get it done. We moved into the shop because it's raining like crazy outside. We're cooking right over my fucking transmission out of this fucking piece of shit that I just fucking pulled. God.
Get out. Onion for the white powder. You want to put those?
Are you ready for steak?
We have leftover sweet potato too. Oh yeah.